All right, couple more practice problems. Number 5. What are we multiplying by? I have a 2 and a 5. Their LCM is 10. I haven't set this one up for you, so you need to do it yourself. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 10, and then don't forget the x, plus 3 times 10. Don't forget, even if it's not a fraction, everything gets multiplied. And then 4/5 times 10. If you want to write it as a fraction, do that. It's easier to see it that way. But half of 10 is 5. 3 times 10 is 30. And then 40 divided by 5 would be 8. So only 3 terms for this one. The first term is 5x. The second term is 30. The last term is 8. Since these are positives, you just write the number. Don't put the plus in front of it. If you do that on the exit ticket, it will mark it as wrong. If it's a positive number, you can just put the number. If it's negative, then you have to put the negative. One more, and then the exit ticket.